Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to raise a bug. So before raising bug, first we should know what are the important things we need to add in the bug to make more understandable to the developer about the bug. Severity, priority, expected requirement, actual requirement, description about the bug, screenshot, videos, the environment in which environment that bug is occur. These all things are the main important things we need to mention in the bug. This is the Jira board, so we have to click on create here. By default, whichever issue you have selected previously, that it will be displayed. First, we should check what issue type we have selected here. Currently, I'm raising bug, so I'm selecting the bug here. By default, its status will be to do. So I'm raising a bug. So we need to add the actual issue. Consider I'm raising a bug related to logo. Height and width of the logo is not same as you can mention some kind of bugs like appear in the particular page. This logo I'm mentioning, but logo will be same for all the pages. That is fine. But some issues will appear in the particular page, so that will be a more understandable to the developer. So this in this page, this bug is appearing. Okay. So one more thing we can mention in the bracket, like what is the environment, in which environment it is appearing. That things it will be more understandable, more clear to the developer. Consider if this issue is appearing in the responsive in the sense mobile view. If you are developing or working on web, the same web page we can open in the mobile, right? That is considered as a responsive. So you can mention it as a responsive. So here the same thing I'm adding in the description. Description I'm adding the same thing. Height and width is not same as requirement. Actual requirement. So here I will add more details. Okay, height and width of the bug is 20 into 20. 20 into in the sense height is 20, width is 20. This is what the problem is on the page. This is the actual issue. Expected requirement. Expected is what? Height and width of the logo. Its height should be 30, width should be 30, but currently it is 20. This is what we are mentioning in the bug. And test steps to reproduce that issue. This is what step you should follow to reproduce that issue. So that will make understandable to the developer. Enter the URL I'm mentioning. Okay, URL also you can mention here whatever it is. Enter the URL. Or second step I will mention as and navigate to home page. Navigate to some particular section, you can say header. Okay, home page header I'm saying. Verify height and width of the logo. They will verify and they will check height and width. If it height and width appear as a 2020, and they will consider it as this is the actual issue. I will mention the screenshot. I'm just randomly opened one site here. So I'm just taking the screenshot. So I will mark where the particular issue is. I will add here. So here you can click on add image or video. So add any one video. The next one is priority. Priority in the sense how soon that bug needs to be fixed. Severity. Severity in this sense how much percent affecting on the current features. Current detected in the sense in which environment this is detected. So consider if this is detected in the UAT, so that I will consider it as a UAT. So UAT. So here start and due date. These are the optional thing. Assignee is optional because if once you raise a bug, that will be remain in the backlog list. So from there, at this time of sprint planning, they will discuss to which developer this needs to be moved. So that time they will move to the particular developer, or else if you know this particular developer only has worked on this, so that person only needs to be fixed, so we can directly assign that work to the particular developer only. Start and due date, so these are the optional things. Start and due date, in between this date only that developer needs to fix it. You can create that bug will be create.